In the fall of 2019, I decided to build my own amplifier. Of course, I built a custom cabinet of my own choice. I had some shelving board in my shop here that I took and cut it all up and made my own thing. I got my dimensions from the chassis that I decided to build, which is a 5E5-A circuit from Mojo Tone, which come complete with the chassis, circuit board, wiring, tubes. I got the speaker and everything needed to do the electronics of the amplifier. Here I got my speaker baffle installed. They actually sent me the wrong chassis. That's the basement chassis, but they corrected the mistake. Here are some of the parts with the schematic. Highly recommend at least trying this if you have any electronic skills whatsoever. Give it a shot. And if you're a guitar player. Here's some more parts with the wire on the right there. Okay, I have finally started the circuit board. Got a couple of resistors and a cap there. And we're talking about 8 or 9 o'clock at night. I'm progressing right along. This is unsoldered, most of it. I think there's a few things soldered there. As you can see, I bend them all in the eyelets from the other side. Of course, there's going to be wire on the other side too, jumping certain circuits together. Okay, here's where the ties come in. I put them straight up like that because that's the way they're going to be when you put them in the chassis. When you bolt it down, those leads are going to be connecting to jacks, speaker jacks, tone pots, volume pots, all kinds of certain things. Grounds, there's some grounds in there. And all this stuff is going to go in the chassis. So, and here it is. I have started to wire some of the sockets, tube sockets up. And there it is. And you need to, when you're wiring these things up, use shortest wire as possible and keep it hugging to the chassis to where you're soldering that. That's the biggest advice I can get. The whole objective is to keep the noise level down. Okay, here we got the transformer in. I think all of them here. Here's some more stuff I'm wiring up. These pictures are not exactly in order, but just wanted to give you a general idea. This has been a dream of mine to build my own amplifier, and mojotone.com makes that possible. They are a company from North Carolina, actually, about 100 miles or so east of where I'm at, in the center of North Carolina. And they have everything. They have pretty much everything you need to build an amplifier. Like I say, this is my own design here as far as cabinet. The grill cloth come from Mojo Tone. This is the finished product. And the covering come from Walmart, believe it or not. And it's not my choice had I do it all over again. But that's what I got. Here's a shot after I got it back together and got it playing and decided I need to make some changes in the speaker baffle there. And here we go. Enjoy. This thing is so loud here. I had to turn it away from it. You know, these little cameras on the phones that I use to record this stuff it's not very good. So the sound quality, as far as the sound quality. So just give it a listen. I'm still waiting for it to blow up here.
Got it finished up about 4 o'clock this morning. Got a couple of issues with some tube sockets, but all in all, it's working. It didn't blow up.
Now keep in mind this is a Jensen 15-inch speaker, so it is very loud. This phone does not even come close to reproducing what the sound really is here. It's awesome. It shakes the floor.